What if the most dangerous takeover in history doesn't look like robots marching through cities, but software quietly replacing the people who make our biggest decisions? Between 2020 and 2025, AI made leaps no one predicted. Models writing their own code, agents managing companies, and systems learning without human guidance. According to a Stanford AI Index report, global adoption of advanced AI systems doubled within just 2 years, touching nearly every major industry. And in recent interviews with MIT Technology Review, several researchers, including Ray Kurzweil, warn that by 2029, these systems could be so capable, so fast, and so deeply embedded that human oversight might no longer be possible. It won't be a sudden revolt. It will be a quiet handover. Today we'll uncover why 2029 keeps showing up in their models, and why this truth is far more terrifying than science fiction. Why does every serious AI forecast circle back to 2029? It isn't superstition, it's data. In his 2024 interview with MIT Technology Review, futurist Ray Kurzweil reiterated a prediction first made decades ago, that by 2029, AI will pass the Turing test, becoming indistinguishable from humans in conversation. Meanwhile, AI researchers like Leopold Aschenbrenner, formerly of OpenAI, have shown in their recent technical reports that progress is outpacing even the most optimistic models. Benchmarks, once thought unbreakable, are falling within months. So 2029 isn't prophecy, it's a convergence. The moment computing power, algorithmic efficiency, and self-improvement collide. The year the invisible curve of AI growth finally becomes visible and irreversible. It started small. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, a milestone many thought was decades away. In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo shocked the world by beating Lee Sedol, mastering a game of intuition and strategy that experts said only human creativity could conquer. Then came the 2020s. Models like GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5 could write stories, compose music, design software, and even generate lifelike video. A 2024 Stanford University AI Index noted that tasks once exclusive to experts are now routine for machines. Every time we moved the goalpost, AI caught up faster. It began inventing better ways to think, not just learning from us, but learning how to learn on its own. Early AI models behaved like impulsive students, blurting out the first answer they could think of. But new systems are being trained to pause and reason. Researchers at Anthropic and DeepSeek call this process unhobbling, allowing models to think step by step before responding. In a 2024 paper, OpenAI demonstrated that giving models extended chain-of-thought time dramatically improved accuracy across reasoning and coding benchmarks. This shift matters because a model that can think longer, browse the web, or write and execute code isn't a chatbot anymore. It's a digital worker, capable of planning, debugging, and making independent decisions. By 2029, reasoning AIs won't just talk, they'll operate, learn, and perform autonomously. For decades, AI depended on human engineers to feed it data, test it, and fine-tune its behavior, but that's changing fast. Models are now beginning to train each other. In 2024, DeepSeek R1 surprised researchers by developing new reasoning techniques entirely on its own, without explicit instruction. While we sleep, AI never stops working. One human researcher might spend 8 hours on a problem. A fleet of AI researchers can run 24 hours a day at machine speed across thousands of servers. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, called this the industrial revolution of computation. The growth is so extreme that researchers now use logarithmic scales just to graph it. This relentless scaling means that by 2029, the AIs running our systems will be several generations beyond what the public sees today. They'll be faster, more efficient, and self-updating, evolving in real time while humans play catch-up. As 2029 nears, experts see 3 possible paths. First, merge humans using AI co-pilots, brain-computer interfaces, and external digital memory to match AI's speed. Companies like Neuralink and Cortical Labs are already testing ways to blend biological and digital cognition. Second, constrain global standards for transparency and interpretability, like the EU's AI Act, which demands explainable models and accountability layers. Third, do nothing, and watch as AI becomes the default operator of digital life. Futurist Ray Kurzweil calls this the merging decade, but others, like Yoshua Bengio, argue that integration without ethics could make humans irrelevant. The worst outcome isn't AI surpassing us, it's us failing to plan for it, allowing dependency to grow unchecked until we're too intertwined to opt out. By 2029, our choice won't be between man and machine, it'll be between partnership and obsolescence. The terrifying truth about the 2029 AI takeover is that it won't announce itself. It will arrive disguised as better search engines, smarter assistants, faster governments, and cheaper labour. So, the real question isn't, will AI take over? It's, will humans stay in the loop? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you part of the conversation.